What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a quick wash day routine because it is definitely past due. Right now, I'm just getting my hair nicely drenched in warm water. Being that I do have low porosity hair, it takes a while for my hair to fully absorb moisture, so I definitely want to make sure it's fully wet before I apply any products. I will be using Crème of Nature Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner, and the only time I really use this brand is if I feel like my hair really needs a good cleanse, which it does, so this shampoo definitely helps with that. I did do a double cleanse, and I like for my hair to get really soapy. It just feels like it gets really clean that way. I am using the pads of my fingers, not my fingernails, to get my scalp really nice and clean. I haven't tried the scalp brush yet, but let me know if y'all use one and if it actually makes a difference. Now that my hair feels nice and clean, I am going to follow it with Crème of Nature conditioner, and I just separated my hair into two big sections so I can make sure I'm applying the conditioner effectively. So while the conditioner is in, I do like to detangle my hair during this process to avoid breakage. And this conditioner has a good slip as well. At least for my hair texture, it definitely got the job done. Now, I do like to apply a leave-in conditioner while my hair is still damp. I never skip this step. It just makes my hair feel super moisturized and really helps me glide through any tangles. Now, on another note, this is only my second time trying a braid out on my hair. And the first time I tried it, I really wasn't feeling the way it came out. And this time around, I'm kind of feeling the same way. So if you guys have any tips for the perfect braid out or recommend any products I should try, please let me know in the comments. I've been keeping it real simple with my hair lately. I'm not even fixated about it growing down my back or anything like that. I just want it to stay healthy, strong, and manageable. So that's my main goal right now. You know, length is cool and all, but if it's dry and breaking, what's the point, right? So for the braids, I was actually going for medium size, but I think I ended up doing some small, some medium. I still don't really know how many braids work for me, so I was just hoping for the best at this point. Now, while I'm braiding, I try to keep the tension nice and even, not pulling too tight, but just enough so it holds. And I did finger curl the ends to add some extra definition while I take them down. I'm using the Dew Mousse again because it's been working pretty well for me lately. Real light, it smells good, and it doesn't leave that weird residue. So right now, I'll be sticking beside it. All right, it's the next day and I'm so ready to take these braids down. First, I'm going in with a little bit of oil. I like to kind of press it into the braids before I even start taking them apart. I'm gently unraveling each braid from the bottom up and I'm trying not to rush. I did go ahead and separate them as I was taking down the braids just to make this process go by a little faster. The finger coil at the end really helped give it a more polished look. So as I'm taking them out, I'm not mad at it at all. The definition is definitely there in some areas, especially where I use, enough mousse and didn't rush through. Some parts are a little frizzy, but I feel like that just adds to the volume and texture. So I'm not stressing about that at all. Overall, I will give this braid out a 7 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it's not bad either. The shape is cute. I've got some nice definition and it feels super soft and lightweight. I definitely feel like I'm getting the hang of it the more I do it. So I'll keep practicing and trying different section sizes and placement to see what works best for my hair. I'm using my wide tooth comb to lift at the roots just a little bit for volume, trying to keep the shape soft and natural without disturbing the curls too much. I'm going in with my Colors and Care Edge Control just to lay down the front. I wasn't focused on styling the edges for this hairstyle. And yeah, this is how it turned out. Definitely going to keep playing around with braid outs, maybe switch up the products or try different sizes. So this is the final look. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching and hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments if you tried a braid out before or what your go-to hairstyle is on wash day. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.